February. Welcome to another craft video. Super exciting because October is a bit spooky, so I thought I'd do a fun craft that's perfect for Halloween decorations. For this craft, you'll need a piece of construction paper. I've chosen to use black, but use any color you'd like. Some white paint and some marbles. And if you have them, you want to use like a fake spider, or you can create your own spider out of construction paper. Okay, we're gonna make a very fun, spooky spider web. So I'm just gonna dip my marbles into this paint. This is washable paint. Okay, and then I'm just going to roll my marbles around and create a fun spider web. Maybe get a little bit more paint on there. And you can use different sizes of marbles. Ooh. You could add some orange if you'd like, or some glitter, whatever you feel you want to do creatively. Okay, that looks perfect. And now I'm just gonna stick my spiders to the paint, but also you could add some white glue and they will stick perfectly. And there it is, a spooky spider web. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next week. Bye.